As per our Prime Minister, we look at the future that India would be feeding the world globally in the near future. And for that, you need a lot of cold chain, storages, and so on. And refrigeration industry would grow by at least 10 to 15% year on year. We help people to measure, monitor, and control their systems, which helps them to keep the systems intact.
Hello viewers, we are here at REFCOLD India, the largest exhibition in Southeast Asia on cold chain, industrial refrigeration and reefer transportation. And I have the pleasure of speaking with Mr. Vimal Chavda of Testo India, who is showcasing their innovative range of solutions for your refrigeration and cold chain needs. Thank you for joining us today, sir. So, sir, this is an exhibition. REFCOLD India is traditionally for refrigeration and cold chain industry. Testo, they have solutions for test and measurement solutions for industries across spectrum. So, what are the solutions you have very specifically for this industry?
As per our Prime Minister, we look at the future that India would be feeding the world globally in the near future. And for that, you need a lot of cold chain, storages, and so on. And refrigeration industry would grow by at least 10 to 15% year on year, which we foresee. And this would call in for a lot of maintenance of getting the right temperature, the right humidity to keep the food in the right way. And for perishable goods especially, they would require a good cold chain. If you even see the whole infrastructure, the way it is being developed, it's all to connect the food in the right time to the right people for exports and so on. So we help people to measure, monitor, and control their systems, which helps them to keep the systems intact.
So could you let us know more about the technologies or the equipment what you have for this segment very specifically?
Every refrigeration system, the heart of any refrigeration system is their compressors. And compressors need maintenance. They need to get measured on regular basis. So we have got electronic manifolds which are smart in nature. So they generate the reports directly from your app, and it helps you to report to people and find the problems and report the problems immediately so that they can solve problems much faster. In addition to that, leakages is one of the very big problem, and we help people to do the measurement or tracing of leakages with our electronic sensors. That makes it much faster, much efficient for the people working on the site. The next product that we bring in is the electrical parameters. Now, as we know that all compressors run for long hours, and if the electrical parameters are not measured right and they are not documented right, you are going to lose money at the end of the day, which is a loss to you. Last but not the least, to monitor your cold chain, you need to have good data loggers. You need to have systems which can communicate. You need to have systems that can throw data on cloud, and you can access your data and see that your money is invested right. So we give all these kind of solutions here at REFCOLD, and we urge people to come and see us. This is the place where people come for finding the right solutions, and we are showcasing all these solutions over here.
Right. So could you let me know the kind of solutions what you have, if you can take names of the showstoppers for your...
So starting from the chiller side or the compressors, as I was mentioning, you need to charge the compressor right. Okay, so we have got weighing scales, especially automated weighing scales, which help you to charge your system right. Now, once the system is charged, you need to check whether the system is working, performing well. So you need to understand what are the pressures it is generating, what are the temperatures it is generating, and for that we have got our electronic manifolds. In case of leakages or anything, you need to vacuum the whole system. So we have got digital vacuum gauges over here and smart vacuum gauges, which help you to generate the report and check if the vacuum is done right. Okay. Then coming on to the electrical parameters, again over here, the electrical parameters, we are having devices, the 770 to be very specific, that gets connected to your smart app. So people can really measure on the site, generate the report that the current and voltage is right, the power consumed is right. So they can do these things. If we come to the next level, the CFM meters. So once you have these, the external part, which is the compressor, internally you have got devices which throw this cold air and maintain the temperature. For that, you need to check the CFM. So we have the 440 being displayed over here, which helps you to measure how much is the airflow and how is the air circulation in your area to monitor that. The cloud-based data monitoring system which I was talking is our Severus 2. Now that's a state-of-an-art data loggers. These data loggers, you can just program it on the site, leave it on the site, connect it to internet, and there you have the data flowing on the internet wherever you go, you just log into the system and have your data and see that your goods are in the right shape.
Right. So within the cold chain spectrum, who all are your end users?
If you talk about Ferrero Rocher is our end customer, one of our customers. If you talk about PepsiCo, wherever they have got their potato cold storages, they would have a tester over there. If you go to kind of companies into medicines, so Medibus Pharma and so on, who are actually working for Biocon Pharma, they are our customers and they monitor their systems on our systems.
So what makes your solutions no different from the others available in the market? Means if you talk about the USPs.
When it comes to perishable goods, when it comes to medicine, when it comes to food, okay, what you need is a reliable technology. And with Testo, people can be sure that they are getting the data in the right time without any manipulation and their systems are intact with the right measurement. Secondly, being a German product, a German design product, the life of the product is pretty large. The stability of the sensors is very large. So whatever they get in the market, in the local market, they have a very limited life. Okay, sometimes no warranty for the instrument, no service backup in India. Testo India is probably the only company which has its own service lab. We have our own NABL calibration lab and people can have their services lifelong.
All right. So viewers, if you are looking at a cold chain, a reliable cold chain, for your industry, your search ends here. You can definitely connect with Testo team. The details are given in the description below. Thank you so much for joining us.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.